Hello, and welcome to day 13 of learning backend development with chatgpt. So let's get started. So happy Halloween, everybody. And for today's lesson, so let's have a bit of a Halloween twist. So day 13, deploying backend applications. So introduction to backend deployment, Heroku, AWS, setting up environment, variables, monitoring and logging, PM2 and cloud logs. So please give me lesson 13. Please add a Halloween twist, as today is Halloween. Okay, I've even got my pumpkin here. There we go. Pretty heavy pumpkin. And yeah, let's see what type of Halloween twist it has. So yeah, I've actually seen. Oh, we've got two. Oh, Halloween edition. Okay. Okay, it's pretty cool. AWS, push to Heroku. I don't know which is the best, but haunted deployment. Okay, I'm just gonna pick this one if I can. I think this one's definitely longer and has more information. Okay. It definitely is going all out on the. I prefer this response. Okay. So let's get reading this Halloween script. So introduction to backend development, Halloween themed. Deployment is the thrilling process of transforming your local project into a live application, haunting the web for users around the world to access. To bring your project to life, you need to choose a platform like Heroku or AWS. This way, your app can run 24/7, like a well-dressed skeleton at a Halloween party. Hosting platforms. So Heroku, AWS, and other platforms can be likened to haunted mansions where your app lives. Each platform has its own spooky features and configuration quirks. So environment variables. There are secret spells that you can use to store sensitive data, e.g. API keys, database credentials that shouldn't be seen in your code. So continuous development. This is the magic spell or configuration that ensures any code changes from your local cauldron environment will automatically appear online. So deploying to Heroku or AWS with a Halloween twist. So Heroku deployment example. Sign in or log into your Heroku and install the Heroku CLI. I think Heroku is paid for, so I'm not sure we'll be able to do it on this one. So in your project folder, create a Halloween-friendly spooky repository. Git init Heroku create spooky app name. Configuring Halloween environment variables in the Heroku dashboard. Go to your spooky app settings and click on the reveal config bars. Add variables like Mongo URI or JWT secret for your database or secret spells. Use something eerie like spooky Mongo URI for Halloween database URI. Okay, I will do. If I ever need a spooky Mongo URI. Add your changes, commit, and push to Heroku. Okay, so just adding the environment variables and changed. So AWS is the powers of EC2 and S3, allowing you to customize your server's haunted details and storage. Spin up an EC2 instance for your backend, like resurrecting a new monster to run your code. Then add SSL to secure your ghastly data flow, and connect a database such as RDS instance for your data's haunted layer. Okay, setting up environment variables, your haunted secrets. So environment variables store sensitive data like a witch's spellbook, ensuring that you don't expose API keys or database credentials. Like I've seen on GitHub, if you just do a search for like API key, then you can get a bunch of free API OpenAI keys and stuff. It's pretty cool. So in your project, create a .env file and add variables. So spooky Mongo URI equals MongoDB. So yeah, that's just Mongo db URI, secret key, super secret key. Then using .env, so require.env.config. Then the .env has, you can store your environment variables in the .env file, and then you can access them. So db equals process.env.spookymongo URI. This is actually the methodology I've used in my social media app that I'm currently working on. So deploying haunted environment variables. So on Heroku or AWS, you'll configure these variables directly in the dashboards, so you don't share your secrets with curious spirits. So monitoring and logging, ensuring no data poltergeists are haunting your server. So once your backend is live, keep an eye on server activity, and performance helps you detect and banish issues before they become ghoulish. So PM2 for process management. Install PM2, a process manager for Node.js apps that works like your own ghost hunting squad. PM2 logs every visitor, capturing errors like a night vision camera, catching spirits in the dark. So setting up logging with Heroku or AWS logs. Heroku logs use the logs of spooky visitors to track errors or traffic spikes. Heroku logs --tail. So AWS CloudWatch, AWS CloudWatch monitors EC2 instances and logs critical events that could haunt your app. So assignments, ghost challenge, try deploying an additional ghostly feature such as an endpoint like pumpkin that returns a Halloween message. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the Node.js thing here, and I'll simply just do app.get -pumpkin. Then we can have the rec and res. We can just do what is it? .json. Res.json.